I'm having a mild, like, conniption because my MacBook, my baby, I purchased her in 2019. I saved and I saved so I could buy her. She's now going to be 2 years old. And it seems like the back of her is like separating, like the battery is swelling, and I don't even know if it's safe to use, but I'm using it right now to upload this video, well, not this video, but a haul, and I'm just worried. Like, I have an appointment at the Genius Bar on Tuesday to find out how much it's going to cost, why it is even happening, and like what I can do. I want to show you guys the underside of like what it looks like so you guys can understand. So hold on. So I don't know if you can see this, like, can you see that? Can you see that separation right there? Like right there. That separation that is happening is right there. That separation is literally looks like the battery pack or battery is swelling and coming out. And I'm really worried because this is the only laptop I have for me to be able to, for me to be able to work, do my blog, do YouTube, do my podcast, and now this is happening and I have no idea why. And I don't even, like, I bought her in 2019 and she was perfectly fine, and now this is happening and I'm really, really concerned because I don't know how much it's going to cost for me to have to do this. And have any of you guys ever had this happen? I know by the time that this vlog goes up, hopefully the situation has been rectified, but if any of you guys have ever had this happen and you know of a way to prevent it, let me know in the comments. That'd be greatly appreciated. The one thing I do is that I power down my computer at night, and if it's already charged, I actually will unplug it so that I can make sure that it's okay. But now I'm just so concerned because I don't know what to do, and I'm honestly, I'm just annoyed at the cost. Like, this is ridiculous. Like, this, I'm so mad. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Today for me is vaccine day. Well, first dose of my vaccine, and I am getting ready to head out. Very simple outfit since I know I have to get this done. I'm wearing the Zara joggers that I'm obsessed with, and I'm wearing my uncle sweatshirt that is very comfortable. It's cold today. As you can see, it is very gray outside. So that's a thing that's happening right now. It is super gray, but for the most part, sorry, for the most part, it is dull outside. So it's actually not too bad. I'm actually happy that I'm going in today because that means it won't be like boiling hot. And then when I get out, I can just come home. Hopefully it doesn't hit me like a ton of bricks. I did hear that some people actually had felt like crap like later on. So I'll have the Tylenol at the ready for that, but I'm getting ready to go. I'm going to be taking an Uber there, but I'm going to bus back. My mom is going to go with me. So yeah. Oh, update on my laptop. Well, I haven't taken it in yet, but looking online, it's about $169 for a battery replacement, and I don't know how long that's going to take. So I'm going to make sure to get a quote when I go in tomorrow, but also I'm going to see if I even have to pay for it, because this computer cost me a pretty penny, and I'm supposed to be told, you know, they told me, hey, this computer top of the line. What do you mean it's not working? Why do you mean the battery pack is like separating? But anyway, I will check in with you guys when I get back and pick up from there. I'm not going to record when I go in, to be honest. I may record on my phone, not my actual camera. I am back from getting my vaccine. Literally the nurse, oh, you can't even see me. The nurse I had, her name was Sarah, so Nurse Sarah. She was great, didn't even feel it. I got it in my left arm since I'm right-handed, but now that I'm holding the vlog camera, I'm probably realizing that my arm is gonna be really sore for a bit, but that's okay. Anyway, I'm working on my vlog right now. Not vlog, what? I keep saying vlog. I'm working on my, the H&M video. Let me put you guys down. Can you guys see me? There you go. I'm working on my H&M haul video right now, and I'm doing just the finishing touches to like add stuff, you know, adding the cards and all that jazz, and end screen, which I've already done, but I have to check to make sure I like it. So I'm just gonna watch the video through and then go from there, and then I'm gonna have some lunch. I didn't shoot any footage while I was there just because I was like, that's weird. I ended up having to wait 30 minutes just because of the fact that I have certain allergies. So yeah, and that's what we're doing now, is working on the vlog. If you hear construction outside, I am so sorry. They're doing the parking lot of my building, so there's just noise all the time. Just all the time. But yeah, so I'm gonna work on that, and then maybe check in with you guys tomorrow, because nothing really interesting is happening today, and plus there's just noise upon noise upon noise. But yeah, I will check in maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe. Who knows? Anyway. And you'll probably see this vlog after this H&M video goes live, but I will have it linked if you guys want to watch the H&M haul, summer haul that I filmed. You know. Hello guys. It is 11:28, and I am, can you see, I am getting ready to head out to go to the Apple store to get my computer looked at and see if this battery needs to be changed. I have had to purchase accessories for my iPad so that I can turn my iPad into a laptop until I get my computer back. And yeah, but I wanted to show you what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing the green crop top from my H&M haul. If you guys haven't seen that, I'm going to link it up here so you guys can go give that a watch. This short sleeve linen shirt is also from H&M. I do love their linen collection. I'm wearing my mom jeans, and these are from Mango. These are the ones that I wear all the time. I do have some from Zara, but these are my faves. And I'm just gonna be wearing probably my gray Vans with this outfit. My mom, I think, is gonna come with me to the Apple store. Hopefully I don't actually have to pay for anything, and hopefully it's a manufacturer error. But I'm not wearing like makeup today, so I look regular. Also, I don't know if you guys, I didn't even think I mentioned this, but this is the Sony, is it SV1? That's meant for like vlogging. So this was something that I invested in to not only up my game for videos, but to also help with, you know, creating and kind of creating better content for you guys, shooting in 4K, the whole jazz. But hopefully we'll see. I'll try and see if I vlog anything when I get to the mall, since Ontario's in the first stage of opening up, and that started on Friday. So I'll let you guys know. Well, we'll see if I vlog. So I'm back from the Apple store, and I don't know if you can hear that music playing kind of, but I'm on hold because they called me when I was on my way back, but I was on the subway, so I wasn't able to answer the call. I was on hold already for like 18 minutes, and then it rang and rang and rang and rang and hung up. And now I'm calling back and I'm on hold again. But what I'm actually coming on here is to give an update. So it looks like it's a swelling battery, and it's they had the part in stock, which is great. It's about a 5-day turnaround. Right now I haven't been charged, but we'll see if I end up getting charged for it. Hi, my name is Brittany Jordan. I'm actually calling back because I received a voicemail from the repair room about my laptop.
Yes. Yeah, if you give me a second, I will patch you right through to the Genius admins, and then we'll give you the info you need.
All right, thank you. Yes, thank you.
Awesome. Repair room.
Hi, this is Brittany Jordan calling you back.
Okay, was it regarding a repair?
Yes, it was about the computer I dropped off this afternoon.
Okay, let me see if I can bring up your repair.
Okay. So the reason your computer was swelling was because the battery.
Okay, yeah.
Was swelling. So what we're gonna do is we have to do the repair on it. There's a quality program for this repair, so you don't need to pay for anything.
Okay.
Which is great as long as there's no liquid damage inside once we open it. So we have the part in stock. So we should have it ready for you by Sunday.
Oh, okay, awesome. That's great.
That's cool. And did you have a backup of everything?
I do.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, that was it pretty much. We just wanted to let you know that's what we have to do.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, we'll call and email you when it's ready for pickup, okay?
All right, thank you so much.
No problem. Take care.
You too. Bye. Yeah, I don't have to pay for it. And no, there will not be any water damage or moisture damage because that computer literally is my baby and I take really, really good care of it. And it's supposed to be ready by Sunday, which is perfection. So, oh yeah, I am very happy right now. So now my update just became something far more interesting than I thought it was going to be. But I am starving. I really didn't eat anything. So I'm going to go and make some food and do that. And I'll bring you guys with me. Let me just actually, hold on. I'm just going to see about it with... Hey, Mom? Mom?
I'm sorry, 1 6.
Oh, she's on the phone. So I got to wait. Hold on. Update. My arm that I got my first dose of my vaccine in is not as sore. It was really sore this morning, but now it's not as sore. I'm really lucky though because it's not swelling or anything like that, which is nice. And now I've changed my clothes into my home clothes because I'm making something to eat, but it's not as bad. In Ontario, you can actually move up your appointment, but my group can't move up my next dose appointment till like August, and my second dose wasn't going to be till October. So hopefully in the second week of August, I'll be able to move my appointment up hopefully into August so that I can get my second dose out of the way. But holding my camera, my left hand hurts so much. And this angle is funny because this is my right hand. And I feel like I look weird. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. And I'm so tired because I'm so hungry. I literally only had jam and toast this morning, which was a bad idea. And whatever. But I am so excited that my computer is going to be fixed by this Sunday. I'll still be able to use my iPad in the meantime to like do all my other work, but I'm super excited that I'm also happy I don't have to pay for anything. Like I know there's no moisture damage. I know that. Anyway, let's get some food. My mom's on the phone though, my mom's on the phone though because she's on the phone with FedEx because they're giving her such a hard time. Don't you guys hate it when FedEx says that they made an attempt, but you were home all day and nobody buzzed you? You're like, how? Nobody rang my doorbell? Nobody buzzed my apartment? What do you mean you made an attempt? No, you did not. It's so messed up. But yeah, I'm going to do that, go get food, and check in with you guys maybe tomorrow at some point.